My name is Clive Martin from the UK, and if you've ever asked yourself how can I make money from YouTube, or how do you make money from YouTube, or is it easy to make money from YouTube, then Stealth Commissions is your answer. Stealth Commissions is an over-the-shoulder taught YouTube blueprint created by my younger brother Ben Martin, who at the age of 33 truly lives the beach life laptop lifestyle. Over $50,000 plus per month, with a large percentage coming from free YouTube traffic. Inside of Stealth Commissions, he's going to expose his methods in a step-by-step video tutorial with matching PDF, building a channel from scratch to profit. He's going to show you all the keyword research softwares and give you a ranking checklist including all the do's and don'ts of YouTube. Everything you're going to learn is applicable to getting traffic, leads and sales for whatever you want. Come inside, grab my bonus, hit the link in the bio description or somewhere in this advert, and welcome to Stealth Commissions.